Hello friends, and welcome to the last video of our App Hub tutorial series. This video will show you how to bridge tokens between CENNZnet and Ethereum networks. Without further ado, let's go. First, we connect our CENNZnet wallet and choose the right account we wish to transact from. Next, if we are sending from Ethereum to CENNZnet, we will have to connect our MetaMask wallet. Once this is all done, the App Hub should detect your balance here, and you may bridge any of these tokens from Ethereum to the CENNZnet network. For this video, we will bridge Ethereum. Just choose the amount of tokens you wish to bridge, hit deposit, and sign the transaction on your MetaMask wallet. Wait for the transaction confirmation, and once this is confirmed, you're good to go. You will see that our balance is slightly under 0.9, and that is because this has taken into account the gas fees. Now, if we swap the direction of the transaction using the arrows in the middle, we can now see our balance of Ether in our CENNZnet wallet, 0.1. The same process is used to bridge tokens from the CENNZnet network to Ethereum. So we click on Max. It will show our Ethereum address here, as well as the gas fee and verification fee. Click Withdraw, and this time sign the transaction on your CENNZnet wallet. Wait for the transaction confirmation. You will also have to confirm the transaction on your MetaMask wallet. Just click Confirm. And when you see the screen, you're good to go. Now we have no balance of Ether in our CENNZnet wallet, and if we check by switching the arrows how many we have on our MetaMask, we can see it is close to 1. If you thought this was helpful, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop a line in our Discord. Link is in the description down below.